If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
The Ultimate Body Press Dip Bar. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced athlete, is the perfect addition to your fitness routine. That's because the Ultimate Body Press is all about high-intensity body weight workouts in the smallest of spaces. While this is a very versatile machine, at its core are two of the most effective body weight exercises you could ever do. The first exercise is the dip, which is number one for strengthening your chest and triceps because you use your entire body weight for resistance as you push up against the grips. The second exercise is the body weight row, which strengthens the opposing muscles of the back and biceps as you pull your body up to the grips. Performing these two exercises one after the other is an excellent circuit workout you can do anytime. Try for 10 repetitions of each, then repeat 3 to 5 times. You don't even have to do them all at once. Start out with 1 or 2 sets right after breakfast, or do a couple on your lunch break. Or how about getting in a few quick sets during the commercial breaks of your favorite TV shows? Doing this simple workout alone for only a few weeks will give you noticeable strength gains that you can see and feel. Dips are one of the most challenging body weight exercises, but you can also work up to it by doing assisted dips or push-ups. Another great feature are the angled grips that allow you to focus resistance on the lower chest or triceps. When you're ready, take a closed hand grip, lean forward, and try for 10 super slow reps of chest dips. Then, turn around and using an open grip, add definition to your arms with 20 more tricep dips. Bodyweight rows are also an excellent exercise. They are similar to pull-ups. In fact, they are a great way to build up the strength you need to do pull-ups. You can also add resistance by elevating your feet on a box or chair. Like we said before, These exercises alone are a great workout, but you can also add knee raises for additional core strengthening. And as always, we highly recommend you mix in some speed and agility exercises for a rewarding full body workout. There is even a variety of ultimate body press dip bar accessories for you to choose from. But for now, know that the ultimate body press is just a great fitness machine at a fair price. So join our thousands of other satisfied customers by purchasing your dip bar today so that you can start building your ultimate body.